What's up, and welcome to another random video. This has been kind of long. I know some viewers were asking about it, and I've just procrastinated. Like, I apologize for that. But this is the update to that Cerakote video that I did actually 2 years ago, I believe, maybe a year and a half, maybe two. So within that time, yes, the panels have gotten faded again. As you can see, I just pulled this from the truck, so I will be degreasing it. I believe this is a Purple Power, or what's the other one? I forgot the other one. Anyway, it's diluted, but I will be cleaning this up and reapplying it. I already cleaned the first one, which is over here. So you see, after cleaning it, after degreasing it, and after degreasing it, it's still pretty faded. So let's go ahead and take that one. Well, let's go ahead and clean that one, reapply it. It's drying right now in the sun, but I will put it in the shade right after this, and that way it could be on a cool surface, and we're able to apply the Cerakote. All right, so you could use whatever degreaser, whatever cleaner you want. I washed the truck yesterday, actually. I didn't get to this. It's hot coming out here again. I'm in Texas, so that sun, so brutal. But just apply this on. I'm gonna do this off camera. I promise you I'm not gonna add anything else, but I can't hold the camera and scrub at the same time. Well, here we are. It's scrubbed, degreased, and now it's time to just rinse it off. Okay, so here we are with the Cerakote trim coat applicator, and let's begin. So after many comments on how was the update, I have failed to provide an update, and I truly apologize. I mean, I've uploaded other videos. I've just procrastinated on this one, but I will say, to the best of my experience and knowledge of when I first did this one, I would say it did last me maybe about 9 months without applying anything. That's when I first noticed, okay, it's starting to get faded again. I think at the 1 year mark, or right after the 1 year, it's when it got bad like this. But summer's here, so it's just gonna get worse. I mean, eventually I'll probably just buy a new one. Once I'm done with all of this, all the packets, I'll probably just buy a new one. All right, so we're back in the shade. I had to get it away from the sun. Here we go with the second one. I'm grabbing a fresh applicator. Alright, well, here we are. This is the final product. As you can see, the two halves there. Just gonna go ahead and try to put them on. The sun went down, so I'm going to do the door handles for y'all as well. So I got a couple more here. Alright, so this is the comparison. The first image is in 2021, and the second image is after 2021, before applying now in June of 2023. After a few years, we're reapplying. I know I've tried other brands and pretty much like in a couple car washes. So this thing lasted me like through a couple of thunderstorms. I work in an industrial site-ish. So there's always a lot of dust. All that good stuff, or all that bad stuff, I should say. And it's lasted until now again, but it's been years later. bumper was also on my video, and this has lasted longer than the actual door handles. This is still pretty black. I'm not gonna touch this, but the bumper did last. This is the finished product. So there you go. This is an update. Not really an update to the first one, but I'll tell you what. You guys need to remind me. If you remind me from today was the update on these, or then I gotta stick with it, you know. But you gotta remind me. You gotta remind me. I gotta get those views, and you guys gotta comment. And then I'll put an update. So we're in the month of June, so this is pretty recent. So let me know if you guys want to see an update. Let me know if you guys want to see like a 3-month, how it's doing in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a whole year, or whatever the case is. But this is reapplying the Cerakote trim coat right here. Good product, good stuff. I would say invest in this. Forget about the other ones. This works really good. So cool. That's it for now. We're off to another random video.